to the channel, everyone. Today actually going to pull the snowplow off my Ranger. Just give my, I guess, my final thoughts of the first season of this KFI snowplow. Didn't get a real heavy snow winter this year, but I did get to use the plow and the Ranger a few times, and there was a few heavy snowfalls. Don't really have anything bad to say about the plow. Everything's held up. Even that winch pulley deal, might change that up for next year. I did add that power angle, custom power angle. Not necessary, but it sure is convenient. KFI sells a kit that you can add to their plow, but I did this custom one a lot cheaper. But it did take me some time to do that. You got to know how to weld too. But yeah, overall guys, I'm happy with it. It did the job. If you had a driveway, or heck, even a few driveways, you know, this is an option. I had fun with it. So, like I said, I'm going to take this off because I think our snow is over. I think we got a chance of snow tonight, but it's been so warm that I think the ground is warm enough. I don't think anything's going to stick much unless we had a lot of snow, and I don't see that happening. So, yep, I got to unplug it. This KFI mounting plate right here is where the plow hooks to. There's just some pins, couple pins. Real convenient to get it off. So I'm gonna fire this thing up. It's actually been a while since this thing has run. Actually, it's been a good long time. So I'm gonna fire this thing up, and yeah, we'll get this plow off. I do remember I had trouble with my first winch. I think that thing had been used up anyway. I did get this other winch, and I didn't know if it was going to make it the whole year of plowing, but it did. It's kind of a noisy winch, but yeah, it had no trouble lifting up heavy snow into stacks, and yeah, it's still working just fine. So that's all there is to it. It's unhooked, and probably put it in the back of the shed here till next winter. That is a heavy plow. Every time I try to move this thing, I'm just shocked at how heavy this plow actually is. So I think it's built for the long haul. I think there'll be many, many, many more snow plowing seasons with that thing. But I'm gonna switch over to summer mode here. I gotta get my back blade on this thing. I gotta fix all the snowplow, all the snowplow damage. We got gravel all over the place in the grass. So I gotta dig that out. I ain't gonna do that by hand. I'm gonna do that with this Ranger in my rear blade. Okay, so I got an electric 3-point on this thing. I think it's a category 0. It's pretty small, but anyway, it actually does a really good job at pulling this back blade. Now this is a custom back blade, and I believe this 3-point was for a UTV, and I converted it to work with a 2-inch receiver. Now you can get, nowadays you can get a 3-point that works with a 2-inch receiver pretty much anywhere now. And you can also get the back blades. This one's really heavy because it's from a real tractor 3-point. Probably should have went a little bit lighter, but it's what I had, so it's what I used. So I'm gonna get it hooked up. It hooks up just like a regular 3-point. Like I said, I think a category 0. It's not even a category 1. It's pretty small, but it works. So I got a handheld controller that runs the 3-point. I'd like to actually convert this to use the same electric over hydraulic ram for that snowplow. I think that would work a little faster and a lot better than the electric actuator that's on this thing. It is a pretty big one, but it's pretty slow, and this is a lot of weight. So I think that electric over hydraulic cylinder would work quite a bit better. But this setup works just fine, really. Actually, it works excellent. So I'm gonna head out. We're gonna start cleaning up the snowplow damage here. So this thing actually does an excellent job at cleaning up. Pulls that gravel right out of the grassy areas. and normally I'd pull it back into where it came from here, but I think I'm just gonna pull it into here, and then, well, we really need to gravel this area here. So yeah, it makes it so I don't have to pull it across this road here. But yeah, does an excellent job, guys. Real happy with this. If you got a small driveway, be really nice for grading that. And the 6x6 is really set up for working. It loves to work, so I'm going to continue on cleaning up the plow damage, and I'll see you guys.